Mastering body language for effective self-introductions. Hello everyone. Welcome to another lesson on English language learning. Today, we're going to focus on something a bit different but extremely important: nonverbal communication. Specifically, we'll explore the importance of body language during self-introductions. Remember, communication is not just about the words you speak, but also about how you present yourself. Our first topic for today is understanding the power of body language. You see, our bodies communicate messages that are just as powerful as our words, if not more. Body language can convey confidence, interest, openness, and much more. During self-introductions, having positive body language can make a great impression, showing that you are confident and ready to engage in communication. When it comes to introducing yourself, a few body language tips can help you make a strong impression. Firstly, remember to maintain good posture. Stand straight, but relaxed, to show that you're comfortable and confident. Secondly, eye contact is crucial. It conveys that you're attentive and interested in the conversation. Lastly, a friendly smile never fails. It can make you seem more approachable and likable. Now, let's talk about hand gestures. When used appropriately, hand gestures can aid in understanding and engagement. But be cautious, excessive gestures might distract the listener. A good practice is to use your hands to reinforce what you're saying, like enumerating points using your fingers or gesturing to yourself when saying your name. Lastly, it's important to remember that body language can vary between cultures. What is considered positive or negative body language might differ depending on the cultural context. For instance, in some cultures, making direct eye contact can be considered rude or aggressive. So, it's always a good idea to do a bit of research if you're introducing yourself to someone from a different culture. And there you have it, the importance of body language in self-introductions. Remember, it's not just about what you say, but also how you say it. Your body language plays a significant role in how others perceive you. Practice these nonverbal cues, and you'll become a master at making a good first impression. We hope you found this video helpful, and we're looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy learning!